Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 16th, 2025, and we're diving into M&T Bank's fourth quarter 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. M&T Bank has just released their Q4 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their earnings performance to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. M&T Bank reported a net income of $681 million for the fourth quarter. John, how does this compare to previous quarters?
Well, the net income of $681 million is a 41% increase compared to the same quarter last year. The adjusted earnings per share came in at $3.92, which is above the analyst's forecast of $3.70. This indicates strong profitability, driven by stable net interest income of $1.74 billion and a significant boost in non-interest income, which rose to $657 million.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the positive earnings, M&T Bank's efficiency ratio is at 56.8%. How does this reflect on their operational efficiencies?
The efficiency ratio of 56.8% is an improvement from last year's 62.1%, showing that M&T Bank is managing its expenses well. Their net interest margin slightly narrowed to 3.58%, but the bank's capital position remains strong with a set capital ratio of 11.67%. Additionally, they repurchased $200 million worth of shares, which is a positive sign of confidence in their financial health.
Credit and asset quality. Credit quality is always a concern for banks. How did M&T Bank fare in this area?
M&T Bank's provision for credit losses was $140 million, down from $225 million a year ago, reflecting improved credit conditions. Non-accrual loans decreased to 1.25% of total loans, indicating better asset quality. The allowance for credit losses stands at 1.61%, which is consistent with their prudent risk management practices.
Income and expense management. Let's talk about expenses. M&T Bank's non-interest expense was $36 billion. What are the key drivers here?
The increase in non-interest expense is primarily due to higher salaries and employee benefits, which rose to $790 million. Other costs of operations also increased, reflecting a $20 million loss on the redemption of trust-preferred obligations and facility write-downs. However, these were partially offset by a pension-related distribution benefit.
CEO-CFO commentary and strategic initiatives. What insights did the company's leadership provide regarding their future strategy?
Daryl N. M&T's CFO, emphasized their focus on enhancing capabilities to better serve customers. They are optimizing business processes and building more scale and resiliency for continued growth. This strategic direction is aimed at sustaining their competitive edge in the financial sector.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $3.70. How did M&T Bank's actual performance compare?
M&T Bank exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $3.92, outperforming the forecast by 22 cents. This beat was based on estimates from 9 analysts, showcasing the bank's strong financial performance and effective management strategies.
Key takeaways. In summary, M&T Bank has delivered a robust performance in Q4 2024 with net income of $681 million and an adjusted EPS of $3.92, surpassing analyst expectations. Their strong capital position and strategic initiatives position them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. M&T Bank's results are indeed promising, and it will be interesting to see how they leverage their strengths in the coming quarters.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on M&T Bank's performance in the comments below.